It's time to peel back the mystery of this little green devil. Welcome to Cut the Mustard, the channel where we give you the juicy deets on the world's most beloved condiments. Today, we're going to take a dive into the world of wasabi. That fiery green paste that'll clear your sinuses and your calendar for the next hour. Get ready to learn everything you never knew you needed to know about this pungent plant. You probably already know a little bit about this ancient condiment. This little green hornet was first cultivated in Japan over 1,000 years ago, and was considered a rare delicacy that only the elite could afford. It's been romanticized that it was so valuable that samurai warriors would carry a small piece with them to ward off any potential assassins. So, if you want to feel like a total boss, just carry some wasabi with you everywhere you go. You'll either be packing for ancient self-defense or ready for a sushi party at a drop of a hat. Now, let's talk about the inventors of wasabi. You may think it's some ancient Japanese mastermind, but no. The first people to bring wasabi to Japan were actually Buddhist monks from China. They discovered that the plant grew well in Japan's mountainous regions and, well, the rest is history. So what's in wasabi? Well, the main ingredient is, of course, the wasabi plant. But did you know that most wasabi pastes you find in stores are actually made with horseradish, mustard, and food coloring? Yeah, that's right. That expensive wasabi you're eating with your sushi is probably a cheap knockoff. Wasabi is a staple in Japanese cuisine, particularly sushi. It's usually served as a condiment on the side of your plate, but you can also mix it with soy sauce to create a spicy dipping sauce. Wasabi has made its way into all sorts of dishes, from burgers to pasta dishes. Seriously, people are getting creative with this stuff, and we're not mad about it. We've even seen wasabi-flavored ice cream. Yeah, you heard that right. Wasabi. Ice cream. We don't know who came up with that, and we're not sure if we should be impressed or terrified. We'd also like to clarify something as you spread your newfound wasabi knowledge to your friend circle and beyond. First of all, wasabi is not a type of horseradish. While they may look similar, they're actually from two different plant families. So if your friends say that they love horseradish but hate wasabi, you might want to lay the wasabi smackdown on them. And secondly, wasabi doesn't actually burn your tongue. It's more of a sinus-clearing sensation that travels up your nose. So next time you're chowing down on some sushi and feeling the burn, remember that it's all in your head. Well, that's all for today's episode of Cut the Mustard. We hope you learned something new about wasabi and that you're feeling inspired to get creative with this spicy little condiment. And remember, don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs. Only the real wasabi can give you that authentic flavor explosion. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep calm and wasabi on, my friends.